Hi guys, welcome to MakeupClasses.com. I'm Dawn and today is Makeup Tip Monday, number 31. Create a fuller eyebrow by brushing your hair in different directions before adding brow product. Ladies, one of the things that I've noticed and I've been hearing a lot lately, unfortunately, is that women do not have much brow hair. In fact, I'm one of those women. Back in the 80s and 90s, I went tweezer happy. I really can relate to your struggle if you don't have a lot of brow hair and now you want to achieve a fuller brow look. So you're going to use an eyebrow brush, and this particular tool has a comb side. And basically what you're going to do is brush the hair in different directions, brush it down, brush it against the growth pattern, and that will actually put volume in your brow hair. Then you go back and fill in. So I just take my brush and I move the hair side to side, and then I'll go back and move it into place. And then once you have your brow hair in place, then you go back and fill in with your favorite brow pencil, brow gel, or brow powder. Another tool that you can use to fluff up your eyebrow hair is a spoolie. And if you don't have that, makeup artists, if you're in a pinch and you have your disposable mascara wands, this works well too. I became so frustrated with my brows this year that I had microblading services, and I absolutely love what the technician did. I'm so happy with the shape and the color. So today I'm going to fill in my eyebrows with the color Blondie. This is a water resistant eyebrow pencil. So I'm just filling in a little bit with this water resistant brow pencil. I'll move it down, I move it away against the way the hair grows, and then I'll put it back in place, and now I go in and fill in where I need a little bit of touch up. Another product that I love to use on the brows here at the makeup studio are our slim eye pencils. This is the color taupe. I wear this as well on myself and I use it on clients. I really love this color for blondes or anyone that has light brow hair. And again, I'm just going in little strokes and just filling in. And then you can take your spoolie or your brush if you want to soften that color up and just brush along and soften that so it looks much more natural. So there are many options when filling in your eyebrow. You can use regular pencil like this. You can use a water resistant automatic pencil like this one, and you can also use brow powder. And this is applied with a brush. And same technique, small short strokes with the brush, and you fill in and it looks really pretty. Well guys, I hope today's Makeup Tip Monday helps. Remember to use that brush, comb back and forth, give your brow hair more volume so it looks like you have more brow hair. Remember to like, subscribe, drop me a note down below. I love hearing from you, and I'll see you next week at Makeup Tip Monday. Bye everyone. Eyebrow pencil. I love this color. Oh, me too. Wrong end.